Hello guys, I'll be showing you how to set up a chart in Upstox so you guys can use the same video and use it for your own self. So let's get started. So this is how my screen looks when I log in. So first of all, I create a new watch list for myself. So let's go and get started with that. I click here and I'll create a new watch list. I'll name it as options and say enter. Okay, I've already created one here, so I'll put it options one. And I'll click on that. So I get a blank watch list here. So what I'll do is I'll add a couple of scripts here. I'll add Bank Nifty futures. Then I'll add 20,400 call and put as well. Then I'll add a couple of stocks. So let's add an Infosys. And I'll add 980 call as well of Infosys. And I'll add one more stock, let's say TCS. And I'll add call for TCS as well. At the money is 2300. Okay, so this is a short watch list I have made. So how do I put it on the chart? And say if I want multiple charts or multiple time frames here, how do I set it up? So there's an option here to select a layout. So click on that, and there are different options available here. If you click on this, you get two charts here. So what you can do is first of all click here on the left hand side. You get this blue outline here. So whatever you select from the watch list will come here. So I'll select TCS here, futures. So TCS futures is here, and here say I want to add the call which is there 23,000 calls. So I'll first of all click on this layout. You get a blue outline here, and then select 23,000 calls. So you automatically get this call. So now let's change the time frame. Uh, Time frame option is given here. So I'm on this box now. So I'm clicking here again. I click on daily and I say 15 minutes. So this is how it looks like, 15 minutes. And here now I'm coming here. I'll change the time frame again by clicking here. So this is how I can change the time frame. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, there you go. I'll remove this first RSI. Now how to add RSI here? You have this option of indicator here. So you click on indicator, you say RSI, relative strength index, and again we'll add RSI here, say relative strength index. And now let's change the settings for the same. So here, once you go near RSI, you get this option of selecting the settings. So click on that and change the settings to 60 and 40 in the style. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll do 60 and 40. So now our watch list and our chart is ready. So I'll again show you how we can change another like this. How can we change the layout here? We can change it this way as well. So it depends on your criteria. How do you want it? And you can change it accordingly. You can sync it as well. So what is this sync? If you select on this symbol, and now directly if you want 20,400 call on both of the charts, you just click on 20,400, you get this call here. So I've selected the option to sync here. You can unsync as well. If you want the same interval, that is the time frame, then you can click on interval, and now say I'll click on Infosys, you get the same time frame here. But say if I don't want the same time frame, then I can unclick on interval and say I just want say hourly on the left hand side. Then I'll have to click on this left hand side chart first, get Infosys futures here, and then change the time frame to hourly. So this is how you guys can play around with this software. Everything is available here. You can save this chart as well. So I'll show it to you how to save this. You can save it as options 1 and say save. And now this is saved. Now you can go to the drop down and say load chart and then say options 1. Then you get the charts which we saved earlier. So this is how we can use Upstox for charting and for using multiple layouts and your watch lists and everything. So I hope this mini video is helpful for you guys. Uh, Thank you and good trading.